by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So US and Asian market updates. US has closed on positive note. Dow has closed on positive note by 0.71%. S&P 500 on positive note by 0.31%. Nasdaq 0.19% positive. DAX has closed on positive note by 0.37%. FTSE has closed on positive note by 0.61%. CSE 40 has closed on negative note by 0.19%. Asian market updates. Kospi has closed on positive note by 0.74%. Nikkei has closed on positive note by 0.29%. Shanghai Composite 0.58% positive. Hang Seng has closed on positive note by 0.15%. So, important news. US January S&P Global Composite PMI final at 52.7 versus estimate of 52.4. US January ISM Services PMI at 52.8 versus estimate of 54. India extends export ban on de-oil rice brand till September. Info is to invest up to 1,000 crores in IE Ventures Investment Funds 3. Interglobe Aviation gets two GST demands of 115.9 crore. Ajad Engineering Science deals with Rolls-Royce PLC, London to produce civil aircraft engine components. The Indian rupee fell to record low of 87.487 against the dollar amid rate cut expectations. Now the earnings updates. Cummins quarter 3 net profit up by 13% and the revenue was up by 21.8%. Welspun Corporation net profit has risen to 674 versus 297, almost it has 200% growth, and revenue down by 23.9% at 3,613.5 crores versus 4,749.7 YOY. Swiggy quarter 3 net loss 800 crores versus 574 crores, and revenue up 13%, 31% versus 3,049. CMS Infosystem quarter 3 net profit up 7.1% at 93.2 crore versus 87 CR YOY, and revenue down 0.2% at 581.4 crores versus 582.3 crores, so 3 CR versus YOY. Timken India quarter 3 net profit up 10.1% and revenue up 9.7%. SG Infra net profit up 12.8% and revenue down by 7.3%. Sula Vineyards quarter 3 net profit down by 34.9% at 28 CR versus 43 crores, and revenue down for 1.4% at 200 CR versus 203 CR YOY. Earnings due ITC, State Bank of India, Bharti Airtel, BSE, Hero Motor, and then BDL, Trent, PVR, Inox, Britannia, etc. Now the derivatives data. So Nifty PCR stand at 0.85. Maximum call open interest was seen at 24,000, which amounts to 2.17 lakh, followed by 23,700, which amounts to 1.69 lakh. Maximum open interest was seen at 23,000, followed by 23,500, which amounts to 1.67 lakh, followed by 1.62 lakh. Now the chart of Nifty 50. So this is the daily chart of Nifty 50, and as we can see that index has actually tried to recover from the lower level, especially from we can see on 27 January onwards, where the index has hit the low around 22,700 approx, and after that we have seen that there has been some recovery in the index. And in this week, the index has started the week with negative note, and it has actually managed to close well above its 21 DMA as well. But on the very next day, we have seen that there has been a bounce back in the index, and the index has witnessed buying interest again, and it has formed the bullish candle with higher high and higher low price structure on the daily chart. But yesterday, the index has faced resistance near its 50 DMA, which is placed around 23,800 approx. So immediate support, if you're talking about, then immediate support is placed around 23,450 to 23,400, and in the upper side the resistance is placed around 23,800 approx. So once this resistance is surpassed, then index might move toward its 200 DMA, followed by its 100 DMA, which is placed in the range of 24,000 to 24,200. So this was about Nifty 50. So we will do the detailed analysis of Nifty 50 once again in the evening at 4:30, where we have the Bazaar Pe Charcha. We will do the detailed analysis of Nifty 50 along with all the major sectoral index as well. So I would like to see you all there. Thank you so much.